A marriage makes of two fractional lives a whole. It gives two lives of work to be done together and doubles the strength of each to perform it. It gives two questioning natures a reason for living and something to live for. It will give new gladness to the sunshine, a new fragrance to the flowers, a new beauty to the earth, and a new mystery to life. Shortly you shall say a few words that will take you across the threshold of life, and things between you will never be quite the same, because after today, you shall say to the world, this is my husband and this is my wife. Tyler and Kinsey, may you be united forever in love and support each other always. May your love be a moving sea between the shores of your souls, and let the winds of the heavens dance between you. What you both hold on this journey as sacred will help you. May all the blessings the world can offer be yours, and I'm sure everyone here will join with me in sending you to all the blessings that the world could possibly offer.
Love is an adventure and a conquest. It survives and develops like the universe itself, only by perpetual discovery. The only right love is that between the couples whose passion leads them both, one through the other, to a higher possession of their being. Put your faith in the spirit which dwells between the two of you. You have each offered yourself to the other as a boundless field of understanding, of enrichment, of mutually increased sensibility. You will meet, above all, by entering into and constantly sharing one another's thoughts, affections, and dreams. There alone, as you know, in spirit, you will find no disappointments, no limits. There alone, the skies are ever open for your love. There alone lies the great road ahead.
You've known each other from the first glance of acquaintance to this point of commitment. The symbolic vows that we're about to make are a way of saying to one another, you know all those things that we promised and hoped and dreamed? Well, I meant every single word of it. By the love that has brought you here today, and the vows you've exchanged, and the integrity of your commitment, in the presence of all your witnesses here today, and the powers vested in me in the Commonwealth of Virginia, it's my pleasure and deepest honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now seal the deal with the kiss. May you always remember this day and the joining of both of your souls on this new path of living